Rest.
I have taken food.
She has taken the food.
No one has come.
I have taken homework. I have done my work.
Next.
I have cooked the food.
Cooked.
I have done 7th class.
You have played the cricket.
Next.
I have gone there.
I have eaten the food. I have come.
Next.
She has played the football.
Next.
She has taken pav bhaji.
I have taken the fast food.
I have prepared food. She has cooked.
She has gone to market.
I have played the game.
You have visited the Taj Mahal.
He has gone to temple.
Next.
I have slept.
Very good.
She has gone to temple.
I have not learned the vocabularies.
Learned.
Yes.
I have going to school.
I have gone.
I have gone to temple.
He has slept.
Next.
I have taken my lunch.
I have beaten you.
I have beaten you.
I have beaten you.
Next.
I have gone to school.
I have gone to school.
Nothing I have visited Nainital.
Latin.
Has visited Nainital.
Next.
She has worshipped.
Next.
He has passed his 12th class.
Next.
I have sung a song.
I have
Sung
sung.
a song.
She has not beaten her friend badly.
I have not gone to Delhi.
Next.
I have not taken tea. Not taken tea.
I.
I have not taken.
No, I have taken tea.
I have taken tea.
Next. Next.
Ram has taken food.
Next.
I have played the match.
Next.
She has cooked.
Next.
She has taken vegetable.
Next.
Sonam Didi has sung a sweet song. He have gone.
Next.
He has gone.
You have taken the tea.
You have taken tea.
Has you worn shoes?
Have
Have you worn shoes?
bought.
Worn.
When worn.
Yes.
When worn. Okay.
I have played the football.
Next.
Have you gone mad?
I have taught you.
Next.
Sita has taken tea.
Sita has played the football.
Next.
I have come here.
I have cooked.
Next.
I have played the cricket.
Next.
Why have you not played? Why have you not completed his work? Our work.
Why have you not
Why have you not completed our work?
your work?
Your work. He has done his homework.
I have left for Delhi.
He has bought a car.
He has eaten the food.
You have not written the diary.
You have taken lunch. I have won the competition.
We have done.
Next.
I have taken the food.
Next.
I have completed my work.
Next.
You have gone the market.
You have gone to market.
You have gone to market.
Next.
He has not purchased the expensive clothes.
Next.
I have taken the food.
Next.
Dev has not completed his work.
Have you completed your work?
I have written the letter.
You have won competition.
Next.
Have you taken tea?
I have not taken tea.
Next.
You have taken ice cream.
You have taken ice cream.
I come here, Aga. I come here.
I have come here.
I have come
Here
here, Aga.
from Agra.
From Aga.
I have written my work. I have written my work.
I have.
Written.
Okay. Next.
Why have you slept?
Next.
I have learned English from
Next.
the dictionary. They have taken tea.
Have you cooked the food?
Have you eaten food?
Have you
Eaten
eaten?
food?
You have made the food.
You have made.
Made the food.
Have you taken umbrella?
You have not abused others.
You have.
You have not abused others.
Have you ever been to Delhi?
Have you come?
Next.
I have completed work.
Next. Next.
I have completed my 9th class.
Next.
I have gone to temple.
Next.
Have you worshipped?
Next.
I have surgery the family.
I have worshipped.
Next.
Have you visited Australia?
Have you done your work?
Next.
Have you spoken English?
You have not completed your work.
I have completed your work.
I have spoken Hindi.
I have.
I have spoken Hindi.
I have offered namaz. What have you taken?
I have completed 12th class.
Have you gone to Dubai?
I have taken mass.
They have written on the house. I have searched the pen.
She has visited Mathura.
Have you cleaned your house? Cleaned your house?
Next.
He has washed the cloth.
Clothes.
I have offered namaz.
Next.
You have not cleaned your jewelries.
Jewelries. Next.
I have gone to temple.
I have gone.
I have gone to temple.
I have made papad.
Papad. Next.
Has she taken food?
I haven't completed your videos so far.
I have taken juice.
Next.
I have changed the bulb, electric bulb.
You have not taken tea.
I have taken the pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Yeah.
Next.
I have completed all the videos of the dictionary learner.
You have not alpana.
You have
You have not taken
Taken?
alpana.
Taken.
alpana.
next.
Have you spoken all the sentences?
Next.
Have you spoken English?
I have made not.
I have not
I have not made chocolate.
chow mein. Next. What happened?
Why have you not taken tea?
Next.
Have you told a lie? Imran sir has left the dictionary.
Have you bought the new phone?
Next.
Have you done your homework?
Next.
I have not taken milk.
Next.
Sir, what is happening? You say.
She has not talked.
Next.
Have you bought the new car?
Next.
They have done their work.
Next.
Have you taken medicine?
Next.
She has bought a new car.
Next.
I have to go to Taj Mahal.
Speak aloud.
I have to go to Taj Mahal.
I have gone to
I have gone to Taj
the
Mahal.
Taj.
I have wept.
I have wept.
Wept.
Next.
I have not spoken English.
I have
I have.
not spoken. Next.
I have drove the car.
I
I have
driven.
driven the car.
Next.
Mohan has ridden the cycle.
Next.
Haven't you taken anything?
Haven't you taken? Next.
Have you gone Jaipur?
Gone to Jaipur. Next.
I have not
Taken.
taken.
Close under.
She has not plucked the flower.
Flowers.
Have you spoken the English?
Spoken English.
Have you spoken English?
Has Rohit brought the bike?
Have you broken the glass?
Next.
Have you taken the feast?
I have ridden the cycle.
I have
To ridden. I
I
have
ridden.
ridden to cycle.
Ridden cycle. The cycle only.
I have spoken English. I have done work.
I have taken dinner.
Has she taken 100 rupees?
Have you gone mad?
Next.
Have you made any dish?
Next.
Has she gone to market?
Speak aloud little bit.
Has she completed his study?
Her study.
Her study.
Next.
Have you bought the new sandal?
Sandals.
Has she come from the class?
Brad Kohli has broken all the records of Sachin Tendulkar.
Next.
Have you reached to your school?
Have you reached your school?
Have you used your school?
I have brought the new cycle.
Brought a new cycle.
I have taken dinner.
Next.
I have not completed study.
Completed.
I have completed work.
Why have you came here?
Why have you
Came here.
come here?
Come here.
What wrong have I done with you?
What wrong have I done?
Have you plucked any flowers?
Any flower?
Any flower?
Next.
I have got in Mathura.
I have been born.
Have you not swept?
Have you not
Have you not swept?
swept?
Have you gone a maid?
Have you
Gone a maid?
gone? Have you gone mad?
Have you gone a maid?
Next.
Why have you not eaten food?
Have you taken tea?
They have not bathed today.
They
They has not bathed today.
well. Next.
He has gone to library.
He has made food.
He has. Next.
We have not taken tea.
Have taken dinner.
Have you
Have you taken dinner?
Mohan has driven car. Mohan has driven car.
driven the car? Okay.
I haven't taken pizza so far.
Next.
Have you mopped your house?
Mopped.
Mopped your house.
Next.
Have you used mobile phone?
Has she taught you?
Have you studied?
Have you like to eat dosa?
Why have you not taken the food?
I have to read the Bible.
Has she come?
Next.
I have used mobile phone.
Next.
I have not mobile phone used.
I have not used
I have not
used the mobile phone.
the mobile
Next.
phone.
Mohan has taken food.
Seema has gone to her.
I have already taken food.
Has she completed your already? Have you liked biryani?
Have you liked the biryani?
Why she has not completed your videos?
Have you cooked the food?
Have you
Cooked the food. Have you cooked the food?
Have you prepared for exam?
Has your birthday?
taken bath या bathed?
Have you taken tea?
Next.
Have you taken a
Have you taken a bath?
Have you taken fast food?
Have you taken tea?
Have you done your work?
Have you spoken something?
Anything.
Why has she taken my lunch?
Have you taken chocolate?
How has he earned the money?
Has she taken momos?
Have you checked my copy?
Checked.
Checked my copy.
Notebook.
Notebook.
He has to go to temple.
He
He has go to
Gone.
He has gone to temple.
Have you studied?
Have you studied?
Have you got the result? Has he worked?
I have completed my exam.
I have taken rather called work.
What have you stolen?
Next.
Why has he earned the money?
She has done work.
She has gone to temple. She has
She has.
gone to temple.
I have bathed.
I have taken a bath. ऐसे बोलो.
Taken a bath.
I have. Next.
Why have you wasted your time?
Next.
What she has written in her examination.
Next.
Have you taken the brush?
Breath.
Brush.
Have you brushed your teeth?
Have you brushed your teeth?
Next. Next.
Have you taken lunch?
Next.
He has not bath today.
He has not taken a bath.
Taken a bath.
Next.
Have the dogs barked on you today?
Has she visited the Mumbai?
Next.
Why have you wasted the water?
She has spoken English.
She has.
She has spoken science.
Hindi. Next.
I have stolen your money.
Next.
Have you taken money at
Next.
I have taken food.
तेज बोला करो खाना.
सब बोल रहे.
हाँ.
I have written a letter.
Next. Simple.
Have you not bowed our sandals? Have you not bowed our sandals?
Bow
Have
the
you-
sandals.
Yes.
Pair में
The
आता है ना?
sandals, Yes.
Have you played the football?
I have thrown a stone to him.
On him. Next.
Have you spoken the truth?
Spoken the truth. Yes.
Have you bought a car?
Next.
Have you taken
Next.
Have you played cricket?
Next.
Have you filled the water? Why have you not filled the water?
Have you taken cold tea?
Taken.
Have you washed your face?
Have you washed your face?
Why has she not celebrated the Diwali?
Why have you taken the tea?
Taken.
The tea.
Taken tea.
Taken tea. Why?
Has your exam completed?
Has.
Your exam completed?
Have your exams
Have your exam
completed.
Have you gone back?
Next.
Have you bought a new car? Have you visited Delhi?
Have you visited Delhi?
Have you taken food?
Next. Next.
Have you taken coffee?
I have cut the hair.
एक सेकंड में से बाहर निकल.
I have already told you.
Next.
I have not visited the Nainital. I have learned English the dictionary learner.
I have learnt English.
I have learned
English
the dictionary learner.
from.
From the dictionary learner.
Next.
I have gone to Kashmir.
Next.
I have celebrated my birthday.
Next.
Why have you not brought milk?
Next.
I have teach you.
I have
Teach you.
taught.
Teach.
I have written the diary.
He has played there.
Next.
Have you washed your face?
Have you spoken the truth?
Next.
Why have you learned English?
Next.
Have you visited the Nainital?
I have not cut the hair.
Why have you not told me?
Taught me, taught me. Told me.
Why they have talked to?
Next. Why have they talked?
I have made the drawings.
Next. Made.
Made.
Hmm.
I have done my exams.
Next.
Why has she not taken medicine?
Medicines.
I have cleaned my house.
I have cleaned my house.
Cleaned my house.
Next.
I have want to go.
And?
I have want to go.
Huh? I have wanted to go.
I have wanted to go Nainital.
Have you drunk?
Have you do exercise today?
Have today मतलब है I have you done?
Have you done exercise?
Mayank has checked his eyes.
Next.
Why have you taken it?
Next.
He has told me.
I have not momos.
I have not eaten.
I have not
Eaten
eaten
momos.
What have you done for me so far?
Next.
Why have you not taken history?
Next.
Have she did her board exam?
Has
Have she?
दोबारा और बोलो.
Has she done her board exam?
Exams. Okay.
I have taken chapati paneer.
Chapati with paneer.
Have you not used my mobile phone?
And have your mobile phone has broken? Your mobile phone has broken.
Has your
Mobile phone
been broken?
Why have you tell the lie?
Told a lie.
Told a lie.
दोबारा बोलो.
Why have you told a lie?
Very good. Next.
Dev has lost his bicycle.
Dev has lost.
Lost his bicycle.
Next.
Have you negotiated with him?
You have told her.
Have you used your mobile phone?
Have you used
Have you used to mobile phone?
your mobile phone or the mobile phone? Okay. Next.
Why are you used the mobile phone?
Why have you?
Why have you used the mobile phone?
Next.
I have gone Mumbai.
I have gone to Mumbai.
I have done LLB.
Next.
I have purchased new slippers. I have cooked.
Next.
I made tea to you all.
For you all.
For you all.
He had forced me.
I am reading.
I have
Reading.
read.
Read.
Why have you spoken to me?
Next.
I have cleaned my utensils.
She has spoken the truth.
I have gone Delhi.
Next.
Have you done all work?
Have you spoken English?
I have written.
I have become a teacher as well as a doctor.
Why are you cooked the food?
Why have you?
Why have you cooked the food?
I have not thought.
I have not thought. Good.
I have spoken English.
Next. Hey, what happened to you?
Have you spoken English? Why has she spoiled all the waters?
All the
All the water.
whole. Whole.
I have spoken.
I have not understood. Rehan has played the cricket.
Next.
Why have you purchased a new car?
Next.
Have you prepared the tea?
Prepared.
Why have you spoiled her life?
Where have you gone?
Next.
Have you spoken Hindi?
I have hand washed.
I have washed
I have washed
my
my.
hands. Next.
Why have we gone to Nainital? Why have we gone
We.
to? Sir, he.
So why has
Why has he gone to Nainital?
Nainital? Next.
How have he needed a book?
How?
How has he needed a book? Have you spoken Hindi? I have cleaned my house.
Next.
She has made food.
I have
Played the match.
Played the match.
Played the match.
Have you prepared the
Prepared
the
exams. Exam paper.
Have you become the Prime Minister of India?
Next.
Why have you broken his face?
Have you worn the girls?
Have you
Worn.
worn? Okay.
How has he bowed?
Have you thought? Have you going to temple?
Have you
Going
gone?
to temple?
I come here to market.
I have.
I have
Come here.
to market.
Yes, I have come here. Yeah, from market.
Has she played?
I have not cleaned my house.
I have not.
I have not cleaned my house.
Next.
Have you not attended wedding?
Attended the wedding.
Has she completed her responsibility?
I have gone to market.
I have gone.
I have gone to market.
Next.
Have you washed the mouth? He has become the Prime Minister.
He.
Has become the Prime Minister.
Have you bath?
Have you taken a bath?
Have you completed your study?
Next.
Why have you turned it off the light?
Turned off. What? Switched on. Switched on, off. Next.
He has washed the clothes.
Washed the clothes.
I have made paneer ki sabji.
Okay, very good.
I have wanted to become a teacher.
I have not gone to market. Have you not taught all the students? Has he tired?
Has he tired?
Got tired.
Has he
Got tired.
got tired?
I have not become a good speaker.
Next.
You have not taught all the students.
Hmm.
I have watched the new video of No Gamer Fleet.
Why have you not taught me?
Have you told a lie?
Have you told?
Told a lie.
Hmm.
I have gone college.
Gone to college. Hmm. Next.
She has 5 rupees.
She has
She has
spent.
spent 5 rupees.
Hmm.
She has taken food.
She has not needed 1 lakh rupees.
Next.
I have accosted you.
I have spent
Spent.
money. I have spent money.
Hmm.
Have you spoken the truth?
तेज बोला कर थोड़ा.
Have you spoken the truth?
Truth.
Have you got the admission?
I have signed a check.
I have
Have signed.
signed.
Have you visited the Jaipur?
Have you visited Jaipur? Next.
I have taken new pen.
Bad.
Pen.
Pen.
I have not got my salary so far.
Have you not spoken truth?
The truth.
I have completed work. I have not spent money.
She has not got up early in the morning.
Hmm. Next.
She has cleaned the utensil.
Next.
I have bought new guns.
You have taken note. You have not taken tea.
Hmm.
Rihan has come here.
Next.
Have you received a check of 10,000 crore?
Next.
But have you not washed the clothes?
Hmm. Next.
Have you checked money? Have you checked money?
Hmm.
Why have you not taken bath?
Hmm.
Pinky Didi has taken tea.
Pinky.
Pinky
Didi.
Pinky Didi
Has.
taken tea.
Hmm.
She has not written a letter.
Next.
She has not taken food.
I have bought a car.
I have got to Delhi.
Hmm.
Why have you Why have you not checked homework?
Hmm.
I have gone to Agra.
Hmm. Next.
He has not come here till now.
Hmm.
Why have you not bath?
Taken a bath. या better tea. So
We have learned English.
we have learned English. Hmm.
He has sung a song. He has sung a song.
Sung a song. Okay.
Rehan has become silent.
Next.
You had taken Salpati. Sonia has helped me.
Next.
He has made tea.
Hmm. Next.
Why has he not appointed him?
Next.
I have purchased knife.
Next.
Why has she taught me?
Hmm.
Why has he not go to
Taunted.
ocean?
Hmm.
Have you not listened that new song?
Hmm.
Have you bought a new phone? Siva has some phone.
Hmm?
Siva has some phone.
हाँ आराम से बोलो.
He has learned English.
Learned English. Okay.
Why have you pushed him?
I have thought about my future.
Next.
Why have you beaten him?
Have you not read newspaper?
I have taken coffee.
Hmm. Next.
Why is he not continuing?
Have you completed vocabulary?
Vocabulary. Next.
Why has he not appointed him?
Hmm. Next.
Nava has taught the students.
I have learned English.
Okay, I have learned English. Next.
Why have you not watched my video?
Hmm.
She have told her that.
She.
Has told her.
Next.
Why have you not reached your home?
Hmm.
I have created a channel.
My sister has taken this.
I have spoken Hindi.
Next.
Why have you not spoken the truth?
Next.
She has seen the videos. He has not cooked the food.
Hmm.
My brother has not taken tea.
Next.
I have not tired.
Get tired.
Why have you wasted the time?
Hmm. Got that.
My brother has not taken holiday.
Hmm.
My sister has taken chowmein.
Hmm.
Why have you taken fast food?
My mother has not taken tea. He has not remembered the chapter.
Why have you not spoken truth?
I have taken tea.
I have taken tea.
Taken tea. I have taken tea.
We have not spoken the Spanish.
Namadhi has not rode cycle.
Ridden.
Has she learned all vocabulary?
Next.
She has purchased a cycle for me.
Next.
I have not completed work.
Hmm.
She has told a lie.
I have not taken Golgappa.
Hmm.
Why have you not taken her proposal?
Accepted.
Shivani has fever.
Shivani has got fever.
Got fever.
Hmm.
My sister has not taken.
Hmm.
I have not studied science.
Next.
Have you read a book?
I haven't done anything so far.
I have not studied Spanish.
Hmm.
I have read the diary.
I have written.
I have written the diary. I have not studied Hindi.
Studied.
Studied Hindi.
I have not spoken English.
Why have you not talked to him?
You have prepared the diary.
You?
Have prepared.
Hmm.
I have not stolen your pen.
Next.
We have not visited there.
Hmm.
Have you touched him?
Next.
I have taught all the students.
Next.
I have spoken English.
He has visited Delhi.
Next.
I have visited the husband.
Next.
They have not completed their work.
He has broken your glass.
He have or has?
Yes.
Why have you not spoken English?
Why?
Have you not?
Have you beaten others?
Has she bought a pen?
I have never visited college.
Why have you not spoken the
Truth.
spoken the English?
Spoken English.
Spoken English.
When have you come?
Chal.
I have visited Kashmir. I have faced problems.
Why have you spoken English?
Have you brought any card?
English has taught the students.
Next.
He has not learned the vocabularies.
Why have you come here?
I have made you fool. I have faced problems.
Next.
Have you come here?
I have washed shoes.
I have
Washed.
washed the shoes.
I have not jumped any class. She has bought new watch.
Latin has studied.
I have not studied.
Have you jumped any class?
Why have you not studied?
He has slapped him.
Why have you told a lie? Have you not come here? Poonam Didi has not taken part. She has beaten him.
She has failed the model.
Next.
Have you not studied here?
Next.
Why Shiva has not taken part?
Next.
Have you written a page?
Next.
She has not kept mobile phone.
Why have you spoken the truth? She has taken what we. She has taken alcohol. Afrin has gone mad.
He has stolen her watch.
Bas.
Why have you stolen a watch?
Why have you laughed?
You have not laughed.
Laughed.
Why have they not washed the mouth?
क्या why सही से बोला
Why have they not
why has
washed the mouth?
अरे washed his face mouth क्या होता है face
Why had they not
washed
washed
his face
this face?
his face
His face too.
next
Have you slept?
I have got job. I have taken slave to it. My sister has purchased new shoes.
I have done 10th.
Have you read it?
have you
Read.
Has he born?
As he fell down in the garbage,
fallen Fallen down.
fallen down the garden.
Have you studied English?
Next.
Have you gone to Bombay?
I have distributed the sweets.
I have purchased a train.
I have done 12th class.
Good.
I have done 10.
I have not taken milk.
Next.
Sonia Didi has taken 12th class. She has slipped.
I have taken the milk.
I have purchased a country for you.
I have brought a Lamborghini Aventador in my dreams.
Next.
We have grown up.
Next.
I have given a Rolls Royce on his birthday.
Have you beaten him? I have spent 10 rupees.
Next.
Have you told a lie?
I have bought a new car for my sister.
Next.
Have you cried?
I have slept.
Why have you danced?
I have gifted a candy for you.
Have you cooked the food?
I have found a diamond.
Have you offered namaz?
Have you not cried?
Cried.
I have taken the water.
My brother has given me 100 rupees.
Have you not known about him?
Sir, on my birthday. I have taken sugar. No, sir.
I have faced many problems.
Have you not sung a song?
I have not sharing the chocolate.
Shared.
Shared the chocolate.
A piece of chocolate.
I have purchased a new car.
Why have you killed him?
Why have you purchased the new car?
I have purchased a new car to visit Nainital.
I have bought.
I have learned English only for speaking. I have not sung a song.
Nobody has invited me.
Have you sung a song?
She has taken cauliflower.
She has done.
I have gone to Delhi.
She has cooked the food.
Why have you cut your hand? Why have you cut your hand?
Saksham has slept advance.
He have laughed.
He
Has laughed.
She has seated. Arman has hidden.
How have you hurt?
I has not done.
I
Has
have not.
Have you celebrated the Holi?
He has not cooked.
Sina has not taken tea.
He has not
Driven.
driven.
Have you seen a ghost?
Have you
See a ghost.
seen?
Seen a ghost.
Have you made a chart?
She has filled the water.
I have celebrated tea.
How have they come here?
I have become a pilot.
Have you celebrated Eid? She has given you gift.
Have you celebrated Holi?
My brother not taken Al-Quran.
Has not taken.
Has not taken Al-Quran.
Next.
Have you celebrated Diwali?
RCB has won all the IPL match.
Kanishk Bhaiya has become a senior.
My father has not taken fast food.
Next.
Has she celebrated her Holi?
How have you come here?
My brother has not taken rice. She has not understood everything.
My sister is not cooking.
I have played the match.
I have purchased a cycle.
Has he done that work?
Rohit Sharma has scored a century.
Virat Kohli has bowled to MS1.
She has thought what to speak.
She has not thought anything. She has not said to you.
I have watched the TV.
I have taken the dairy milk.
Have you celebrated the Holi?
Have you taken cold drink?
I have learned English. My tongue has twisted while practicing.
I have went through translate.
Went through, yes.
Why she has not
I have
taken
gone
food?
through. Have to the first performance.
Why has she not taken food?
I have taken the Cadbury chocolate.
Next.
He has whispered.
He has not prayed.
He is not driven.
We have spoken English.
I have taken samosa.
Next.
I have not taken sugar.
Next.
Has she gone through translate?
I have laughed.
She has followed the Indian culture.
I have purchased a Activa.
I have stolen a car. Why you have stolen a car?
Good. Next.
How has she stolen a new phone? Have you made a noise?
Last minute is there.
She has forgotten his bag.
Next.
I have sugar.
I have taken sugar.
I have purchased Vaseline.
Very good.
I have purchased a new pen.
Next.
I have written my diary.
Next.
He has laughed.
Next.
I have written a letter.
Next.
I have the bottle.
Hey, 1 second, one by one.
I have taken kaluti.
Next.
I have taken milk.
Next.
I have taken mutton paneer.
I have taken milk.
Next.
I have pooped.
Okay, next.
I have to go.
I have
I have to go.
I have gone.
I have gone to temple for worship.
I have written the application.
Next.
I have cleaned the room.
Next.
Why have you gone to temple?
Okay.
I have cleaned the room.
Next and last.
I have told you everything.
ओके ओके चलिए 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 बस सब लोग आ जाइए। सो 1 घंटे की और प्रैक्टिस आपकी हो गई। जल्दी से हाथ ऊपर करें, सामने दिखाएं, शाबाशी दें अपने आप को। बिग हैंड्स फॉर योरसेल्फ।